Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken broth, only ways. Start by choosing a whole chicken or 3 to 4 pounds of bones and rinse them briefly. Rough chop 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks and toss them in. Add 8 peppercorns and 1 tablespoon salt. Cover everything with cold water and bring to a gentle simmer, skimming foam as it forms for a clear broth. Bring water to a gentle simmer and maintain low heat for 4 to 6 hours to fully extract gelatin and flavor from the bones. Avoid rolling boils so the broth stays clear and clean tasting, skimming occasionally. When ready, strain solids through a fine sieve and cool the liquid rapidly by an ice bath or shallow pans. Refrigerate until the fat solidifies on top, then remove the fat for a leaner, more versatile broth. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple cooking tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They last through long kitchens and long walks and feel great while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a pair if you want a small upgrade. Now let's get back to the video. Portion broth into jars or bags and chill up to 5 days, or freeze for longer storage in labeled portions. Use ice cube trays for quick single-cup portions or quart bags for soups and stews. Thaw in the fridge or gently reheat on the stove. Homemade broth lifts soups, sauces, risotto, and braises with natural chicken flavor and body, saving time and improving results in weeknight and special occasion cooking alike.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.